Hello guys, welcome to my third episode of Asking Questions. It obviously isn't the type of video that I promised in the last episode at the very end, but I kind of had to work with what I got. Because of this whole quarantine thing, I had to kind of create a new idea out of thin air. So in this episode, we are going to be asking the question, what fun science experiments can you do at home if you're, stuck and bored? I hope you like it.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wow, there are other people working on this.
Hello guys, we are... Hold on.
Have you been recording all along?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is my third episode of Asking Questions. It looks a bit different than I said it would be.
And now she's stuck with me.
Yeah, in
Mom.
quarantine. So today we are going to show you some fun little science experiments that you could do with stuff around the house. Alright, number 1. Our first experiment.
Are we gonna blow stuff up?
Not yet.
Okay.
So for this first experiment, we are going to create our own lava lamp.
Ooh.
No, you want a little bit of water. So a little bit of water at the bottom of your cup. You
Oil
want
to go on top of water.
Yes, you want oil to go on top of your water. The reason the oil floats on top of the water is because they both have different densities and polarities, which means that the oil is hydrophobic. It does not mix with the water. So
I'm hydrophobic.
So you want a little bit of your oil to float on top of your water. You also need food coloring for your lava lamp because
It'll make it pretty.
The footage that you are watching right now is actually false. We did the experiment wrong. So what you want to do is you want to have more oil than water, a lot more oil than water. In the next clip, I will show you how to actually do the experiment.
That looks way more scientific than your other one.
So you want to add a bunch of oil so that you have a lot more oil than you do water. What you doing there?
Comparing correct from incorrect.
Alright. So you're going to take the mashed up Alka-Seltzer and then you are going to put it into your substance. See, look. And there you go. You have your little cycle.
That's cool!
Ew, gross. For our next experiment, you need contact solution that has the ingredients boric acid and sodium borate. You also need shaving foam, not like shaving gel. What are you doing?
If I am using boric acid, I don't want my fingers to dissolve.
You'll be fine. It's literally contact solution.
Oh yeah, I put that in my eyes.
So you want shaving foam, baking soda, and Elmer's glue.
I like how you used the product name with the Elmer's glue and did not talk about the white.
Alright, so You want to start off with 2/3 of a cup of the glue. So,
You're putting glue in my measuring cup.
yeah.
Flip it to the other side. It will show you 2/3 of a cup. She's not in the kitchen very often, you can tell.
It looks like yogurt.
It is not. Do not eat it.
Do not eat your experiments. I'm using a lot of glue. It's dripping. Yummy! Now that we have our 2/3 of... You didn't pour your...
You told me to put my 2/3 cup into my bowl.
You have to pour it.
Okay,
into
so
the bowl.
I am saving this for round 2 when we screw up round 1.
No. Easy open. Top tab. Doesn't seem very...
Here, use my statty thing.
It doesn't seem very easy to me. So you want 1/2 teaspoon of your baking soda, 1/4 cup water. And then you want to mix it. Don't forget to mix. After you're done mixing, you have to add 2 to 3 cups of your shave foam.
You want to use your glue spoon?
What do you think of the smell?
I don't know.
And then when you think you've mixed it enough, then you want to add in food dye. I'm going to do a blue.
Orange.
So now that you've added your color,
You get to play with it.
no, not yet. You want to add in
It's not working.
your... Mom, what are you doing? You're not done yet. You have to add in your contact solution. That's what makes it slime.
Oh.
1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. Oh, do you see that?
Oh, acid. Whoa. That's cool. Science is cool. Look at that.
I think it's safe to say that now I can pick it up. And then you want to use your hands to kind of mold it. Whoa! You see that? Maybe you should have taken off your ring.
Woo. If your dad comes in, I am in so much trouble.
It eventually does not. Uh oh. Mom! What are you doing?
Help me.
Your first step for this experiment, you want 1/4 of a cup of pretty warm water. So you'll just pour that in a plastic bag right here. And then the next step is you want a 1/2 cup of vinegar.
Hello, Abby.
So you want to put in your 1/2 cup of vinegar. Oh, that smells really bad.
I like the smell of vinegar.
Why? Ew.
I don't know. Easter eggs.
So after that, you want to measure 3 teaspoons of baking soda into a tissue. Right here you can see I have 3 teaspoons of baking soda. You want it to be a little pouch so that the baking soda does not get out of the tissue at all. It's kind of like your barrier. Now we have to work pretty fast. So we want this to be fully, almost fully closed, but not closed enough so that we can get the baking soda in here with the tissue. So Mom, as soon as I place the baking soda pouch in here, you want to zip it as fast as you can.
All right.
All right, close it, close it, close it. Alright, so now just watch the bag. Oops.
If you explode my sink, you're in trouble.
That's the end.
And
How do you feel about this journey?
am I supposed to say something?
I don't know.
Is this thing on?
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Asking Questions. Please be patient for future episodes as I am not sure what they will look like for the future. Thank you.